Hello guys and welcome to Don't Mug Up. Today we are covering another very interesting topic, that why sulfuric acid is used to prepare other acids like HCl or HNO3. Let's see. So we all know that sulfuric acid is a volatile acid. But what does the term volatile mean? Actually, volatile term means that a substance which requires a very high amount of temperature to turn to its gaseous state, that is called volatile. And sulfuric acid is a kind of acid which just by heating at 100 or 200 degrees Celsius will not turn to its gas state, and this feature is what we call as the volatile. So basically I think you must have understood what the term volatile means. If not, then please look at the statement given here. Okay, but acids like hydrochloric or nitric acid, they turn into gas or they completely break down at low temperatures. Actually, this makes them non-volatile in nature. Now what does non-volatile mean? Non-volatile means that just the opposite of volatile. If you heat them at 100 or 200 degrees Celsius, they will turn to their gas state. Hence, now please think, if we use a non-volatile acid to prepare another same kind of acid, then what will happen? Simple. Both will turn to gas and we cannot separate the two. Isn't it so? That is why we must remember that whenever we are preparing a non-volatile acid, we must use a volatile one so that both cannot mix, and then we will have a problem to separate the two. So I think I was able to make you understand about what volatile actually meant. So thanks for watching, and if you liked it, then do subscribe to our channel.